Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel Nutan Online Study. So today we will see lesson plan. It is English lesson plan and the topic is verb, and I have already uploaded many lesson plan before. If you want that, please check the link that I have given in the description box. And if you want the PDF of lesson plan, you can visit my blog www.nutanco.in. Now let's see how to make this lesson plan. So this is for class. So this is English. This is for English and the topic is verb, and I haven't mentioned class here because you can use this for any class. So for previous knowledge we have to write. Students have a basic knowledge of noun and verb, because obviously if they have knowledge of noun, then only we can teach them about verb. For general aim, to enable the students to know what is verb, and second is to tell them types of verbs. And for specific objectives, to let students understand verb and its types, to enable them to recognize different types of verbs. So like this we have to write. Now let's move on to our introduction part. So for introduction part I have added 5 questions. So what we have to do is we have to write this sentence on the blackboard. We have to write this sentence, Rita is reading, on the blackboard, and we have to ask students to read the sentence. Then students will read the sentence. Then second question would be, what is a noun in this sentence? So we have to ask, where is noun in this sentence? Then student will answer that Rita is noun in this sentence. Third question would be, okay, what is noun? Means here noun is Rita. So what is noun doing in this sentence? Then student will answer that noun or Rita is reading. Fourth question would be, so what this action that is doing by noun is called as? Then they will answer verb. So we have to give the last question that determine which type of verb is used in this sentence. You must not delay. So it would be problematic. Student cannot answer this. And after that we have to give our statement of the aim, that student, today I am going to teach you verb and its types. Now let's see presentation part. So for presentation part I have added only 4 type of verb: action verb, auxiliary verb, modal verb and stative verb. So for first presentation I am going to teach them about action verb and second verb, that is auxiliary verb. And after that we have to ask question related to that, and student will answer that. And here blackboard work. So here we can write the definition and example of static and auxiliary verb. Then second presentation. So for second presentation I have write here modal verbs. I have write the definition of modal verb, and I have mention here some example. And after that, means after explaining everything properly, we have to ask question related to that. First question is, what is modal verb? Second question is, make sentence using modal verb. So this is the answer that we expect from students. This is the answer that student will give to us. And here again is blackboard work. So for that we can write definition of modal verb, and we can write sentence on it. Now let's turn on the page, and here is the rest part of the presentation too. So here third question is, what is stative verbs? And fourth question is, make sentence using stative verb. And here is the answers. Student will give the answer. And here again blackboard work. So for that I have write definition and examples of stative verb. So like this we have to explain very nicely to students. And after that recapitulation part, so I have added here 4 part. What is action verb? Give example of modal verb. Make sentence using auxiliary verb. What is stative verb? Make a sentence on it. And here's the answer. So for recapitulation, I add questions on each verb. Now application and evaluation. So for that, I have right here fill in the blanks, and I have right here only 2 fill in the blanks, you can see here. And after that I have add some sentence, and we will have to let the student determine the types of verb in each sentence. We have to ask students determine types of verb in this sentence. So I have given here 4 sentences, and I underline all the verb that student need to determine. And last is home assignment. So we have to give home assignment to students for perfection of their knowledge. So this was my lesson plan, and if you like my lesson plan, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe it. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye.